How to fix iPhone is too close showing warning. Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how you can turn off alerts on your phone. iPhone is too close. This is an option that came with the new iOS 17 system and serves as a warning if we look too long at the screen from a short distance. It is very useful and can prevent a certain number of eye diseases. However, some people are bothered by the frequent message that appears on the screen and want to stop it. To do that, we will go to the settings of our phone. In the setting options of our device, we need to find the screen time option. When we open it, a large number of options and statistics related to our screen time will await us inside. We still need the option found in the limit usage list. The option is called screen distance. When we find it, click on it. In the new window, we will get a switch with which we can enable or disable this option. I find this option useful, so I will leave it on. That's all for this video. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Also watch our other videos on this topic. See you in the next video.